Yeah, you see it, folks. You see it? $795 starting down. That's correct. Let's do a walk around on this. This is a 2011. This is a Journey. This is a SXT Crew Edition. Got the factory chrome wheels, luggage rack, tinted glass. Got the big screen in the middle. Heated front seats. Dual zone digital climate. Third row seating. Everyone's riding here, folks. $795 starting down payment, guaranteed credit approval. You got it. Perfect Carfax certification. Service contract included. Yeah, well, you're going to get 6 months, 4,500 miles over the driveline, folks. Check it out. Rear climate control, third row seating for the young ones. Everyone's riding here. Drives like a dream, 6-cylinder, good on gas, smooth as silk. $795 starting down, guaranteed credit approval. Yup, you guessed it, DasCleveland.com.